us to gain access to the bulb. And how we gonna do that? Pretty easy. And what tools we gonna use? Easy too. Okay, in this case we are going to use a flathead screwdriver and a star screwdriver. I'm gonna show you exactly step by step how to remove this cover and gain access to the ball. Alright, first of all, we're gonna use the flat screwdriver, and we're gonna remove this little panel here where I'm showing you. We're gonna remove this first, so make the process easy. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert our flathead screwdriver in here, and we're gonna pop a little bit. It has 3 locking things in there. We're gonna keep pushing until it starts popping out. There's one there. Has to be one more. There's the other one. Then we keep pushing the screwdriver, and there you go, until we got it out. Then we just keep working with that, and that's it. It's gonna come out easy. All these lags, and it goes in here. Okay. Alright, we're gonna put this to the side. Now the next thing we're gonna remove is this black cover here. We're gonna have to remove this because we have to remove some screws on the bottom in order to lift this entire arm up. Alright, what we do is we're gonna use the flathead screwdriver again, and we're gonna insert it right here in the back. We're gonna try to push it a little bit. Okay, let's see. Sometimes it gets a little effort, but hopefully we work it out. Okay, let's see. Okay. See. Let me see which way we could get it easier. Okay. You could lift it from here, start working all the way to the back. Start working all the way to the back until you got it in. See? We got it in now. At least we broke it a little bit. Not broke it, but see, we gain access. See, this thing is gonna pop up, and then you put the screwdriver in here, and then you pop it up too. There you go. Easy. Okay, we're gonna leave this arm up, so make the process more easier. By the time we lift the whole thing up, it's gonna be more clearance. Alright, we're gonna lift this thing up just like this. Let's see. Push it a little bit. We push it to the front, just like that. I'm gonna put it to the side here too. Okay, as you can see, we have 2 screwdrivers that has to be removed, and 2 screwdrivers right here in the back. There's one here, and there is another one back here. I'll show you when we get to there. Okay, we're gonna get our screwdriver, and we're gonna loosen the screws. Okay, get this one out. This is out. Now we loosen the other one. And we lift it out. Okay, now we got those two out. Now we're gonna come to the back and we're gonna remove the other ones. Okay, here we are in the back. As you can see, we have one screwdriver that has to be removed. Let's come remove it. Let's loosen it up. Let's loosen it up. Okie. Alright. Okay. This one is removed. Now let's go to the other side and remove the other one. As you can see, there's another screwdriver here that has to be removed. Okay, that's removed. Let's put it to the side. Okay, now as you can see, all the screws are removed. The ones in the back, they're both removed, and the ones in the front too. What's gonna happen is now that we're gonna have to remove this whole panel up. Everything has to come up, because that's the only way you can gain access to the ball. This arm here, this armrest, we're gonna push it back to make the removal more easier, because it takes like a little time to take it out, because you gotta play a little bit with it. But I'm gonna show you how we do this. We're gonna lift this thing up now. Okay, you're gonna grab it from here. See, you're gonna grab it from here, and it's gonna pop up. You see now that this thing touches in here. As you can see, it touches in here. Now you have to maneuver. You have to maneuver it and how to get this out of the way. Okay, let's see. Probably move this forward a little bit. Let's see. Okay. We're gonna push the seat backwards. We're gonna push the seat down, so this one give us more access to lift this thing up. Okay, now let's push the seat down, just like that. You go, just move it just like that, all the way down, all the way down. Okay, now as you can see, we have more access to lift this thing up. See, you got way more access. But remember, it's always gonna touch a little bit in here, but you know, you have to play a little bit with it. Just put like a little force to bring it up, not much, not to break the plastic, but just a little push up. See, it's already up. Then we already taking out this whole thing. As you can see, everything's gonna come out. Let's see, we now could push this to the side. Okay, so we put this to the side. See, we took everything off. Everything is off the car now. So now we have more access for the ball to be removed. Okay, here we are with the panel already removed and everything. This wire here is for the ball to illuminate the gears. Now we're gonna remove this thing by twisting it. We twist it this way, and then we pull the ball out. Okay, let me see if I can focus the camera more down so you can guys see it more closely. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna remove this bulb now. Okay, I'm just gonna twist it this way, and the bulb is supposed to come out. There you go. See, this is the bulb we are gonna remove. But since I already removed it because mine was burnt out, I'm just showing this so you have an idea on how, guys, you can remove this bulb. Pretty easy, simple, not that complicated. And to put it back, just take the bulb out, just push the bulb up, and then with the other one you just push it the same way down. Then we're gonna do the same thing when we put it inside the slot. We're gonna twist it this way so the ball gets locked in place, so that way our light should work. I'm gonna show you that this light works. See, it's supposed to be like this. Your ball is supposed to be light up like that. All right, and to put back everything, I'll show you how to put everything back when we install this bulb and see how everything goes. Okay guys, this is the way the bulb is supposed to look when it's inside the slot. This is the way it's supposed to look like, just like that. Make sure it's firm, pressed, and tight. Alright, now we're gonna put everything back together so that way you know how we put it back. Alright, we're gonna start with the big thing, the big arm, the big cover. We're gonna slide it right in there, just like this, just like this. It's sure you gotta play a little bit with it, but you'll get it inside. See, that's already gone in. Okay, now we have to align it. We have to align everything together. Okay, we push it down, and we're gonna push this one down. We're gonna let it drop. See how it went down? Pretty easy. And we make them firmly push. And make sure this matches with the holes on the screws, like this one here too. Alright, we'll push it up a little more, and that's it. We got it in there. See, like, look at how everything looks nice and tight. Alright, now we're gonna come up right here on the back, and we're gonna put these screws back in. See, like this one, we're gonna put it back in. Sometimes we gotta work it a little bit until we find the holes. Now let's get our screwdriver and let's tighten it up. Let's tighten this up, and we're gonna find the other one, and we're gonna tie it again too. Okay, we're right here on the other side of the screws. We're now gonna put this one in there. And always make sure it's aligned with the hole. Sometimes, you know, we can't find it. Sometimes we can't see it. We have to keep pushing it till we get it in there. Well, with the camera, it's kind of hard for me to put it in. see. I can just sit the camera there. And we could work it out and try to look for the hole. Okay, let me see. Oops, camera went down. We finally got it to work. We finally got it in, because it was a little uncomfortable for me holding the camera and putting the screw at the same time. But this is the way you do it. You tie this both screws on together. And then we're gonna jump over to the front and we're gonna tighten these two other ones that are right here. This one here, we're gonna tie him up. I'm gonna put it in here, push him in here, put the other one in here too. Then we're gonna screw it in. Tie the other one. Okay, now we're gonna get this covering here now. Let's try to push the seat a little bit down. Okay, let's bring it down. Let's bring it more down. Okay, so that way it doesn't touch. Okay, we're gonna slide this thing in here just like that. Push it right here and we just hard press it. Let's make sure everything is set. There you go. Now you push it and you push the other side too. I think everything is filmed. Now we're gonna get the little cover that we took out, which was this one, and we're gonna put it back in here. Very simple. Put it in there and we just bang it a little bit until it goes in. There you go, guys. That's how you replace the bulb on your automatic shifter. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.